Hello everyone. Today we shall look into custom calendar by Akvelon. You could load it in from the marketplace by clicking on this get more visuals. I have added the calendar custom calendar by Akvelon here. Once I click on the visual, you could notice that there are two major fields which are required. One is date and second one is metrics. In tooltips, you could show whatever the other necessary fields required. I'll show you with respect to date. Once I click on the date, the order date is taken, and in metrics, suppose that I take my sales. Before I before I like to show you the sales, I would request you to notice here that as soon as I bring my order date, it is showing me the current month and current year, but my order date is from 2015 to 2018, as you could see here. But here if I have to make use of it to view the data of 2015, I would click on this format. I would go to calendar. I would change the date like 01/01 2015. As soon as I change it, you could notice here my dates has been changed. Okay, as soon as I increase it, you could see that my dates has been changed, and 12 months of data is appearing over here. We could change the number of months which could appear. Maybe if I want only 2 months, I could put only 2. And I'll show you the formatting settings. Let us bring the metrics of sales here. You could even bring different metrics like even profit. And if as soon as I bring my profit, it is of the same color. I could change the color as well. I'll show you few formatting settings through which you would be able to understand better. Here, once I click on calendar, here my type is fixed. Let us explore the fixed type formatting settings. You have understood the start date, and the reason why we have to change the start date, because it picks up the current month and date by default. And the number of months, you could customize it. If suppose that I want the date from Monday to Sunday. Okay, I'll click on this and I'll click on Monday. Now my calendar is from Monday to Sunday. This is my cell size. I could either increase or decrease my cell size. You could notice that the size has decreased. I'll keep it to 40 for now to help you understand. These black lines which are borders appearing, it is my cell border. I would like to keep my cell border as maybe dark blue. This is my header which is appearing in black. I would like to keep my header as blue. Okay, this now my header has changed to blue. I would like to keep my title similar, and weekdays. Suppose these numbers are my weekdays. Sorry, this Monday to Sunday are my weekdays. I could change the color of it. If I want in orange color, I could change it to orange. And this numbers appearing which are days is my days. I could even change the color of it. Now I would like to leave it like that. And let us explore what the other relative is. Here, as I click on relative, you could see that again my calendar has moved on to my current month. Here we don't have that start date feature to go to the previous dates. But if you are dealing with the current data, then it is much useful. This previous month, suppose I keep one previous month, okay, and two following months. What it will show is, this is my current month. It will show the previous month of February, and after February the following 2 months are like March and April. So these are previous months and following months, and the rest of the settings are similar to the previous fixed settings. So this is now I'll bring back to fixed. Okay, and we shall discuss about the other settings. Here, as soon as I turn on my legends, you could see that my legends are now on. You could turn on the title if you want, and you could increase the text size if you want, and even you could change the label color. Okay, now I'll turn off my legends. I don't require it. Here in metrics, if I want to change the color of my sales, suppose that I want this orange color, and in order to represent the profit I would like to bring the green color. Okay, now we could see that my profit is represented in green color and orange sales in orange color. Even if I want to bring the metrics one above the other, now my profit is represented on like on the top. Okay, suppose that you want to see the tool tips. Maybe I'll drop my tool tip, like maybe discount. Okay, discount, maybe region, and you could drop the uh, you could say to anything into your tooltip to view the tooltip.